In this video, we are going to draw a quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 6, its graph. And also from the graph, we will find its zeros. So now, we have to assume the given quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 6 as y first. So y equal to x square minus x minus 6. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So we can compare this quadratic polynomial with the general form ax square plus bx plus c. Then we observe that the coefficient of x square a, the value of a is here 1, and the coefficient of x it is b equal to minus 1, and the constant of it is minus 6. Okay, so after knowing the values of ABC, now I will focus on the value of only a. So why? Because the quadratic polynomial shape depends upon the value of a. So here the a equal to 1 it is there, it is clearly greater than 0. So if the value of a it is positive, then the graph of x square minus x minus 6 must be in the shape of u. Okay, if you have the a is a negative number, in that case the graph always looks in inverted u shape like this. So now here, since the coefficient of x square it is a positive, then it must be in the shape of u shape. So after knowing it, now we will go to find its discriminant value b square minus 4ac. Why? Because upon the value of discriminant only the nature of zeros will depends. So whenever you are drawing the quadratic polynomial graph, we must find the value of b square minus 4ac, whereas b it is minus 1 square minus 4 into a it is 1, and the c value it is minus 6. So simplifying it, minus 1 whole square it is 1, and here the minus 4 into minus 6 is plus 24, total becomes 25, which is greater than 0. So you need to remember only one thing here. We had to check the value of b square minus 4ac, whether it is positive or the negative number, or else is it equal to 0. So in case of getting b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the graph always intersects the x-axis in the 2 points. Suppose if you get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, in that case the graph of the given function must touches the x-axis at one point. Suppose if you get b square minus 4ac is a negative number, then in that case the graph do not intersect the x-axis at anywhere. So in case of b square minus 4ac is negative, then we write directly it will not have any real zeros. Okay, like that. So for drawing x square minus x minus 6 its graph, first we need to prepare a table. Okay, so in this problem we got here the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the graph intersects x-axis in 2 points. Okay, now what I'm doing, the terms of the given polynomial it is x square minus x minus 6. So we have to take that x square minus x minus 6 in middle of x and y, right? So now what I'm doing, in the place of x you can take any numbers. I'm taking some negative numbers minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and some positive numbers 1 to 3. So using these x values we have to find the values of these three, x square minus x minus 6, and then after we'll find the value of y. Y it is nothing but the sum of x square minus x minus 6. Now look here carefully. Now if I take in the place of x minus 3, so then x square will becomes minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. And if I take x equal to minus 2 whole square, it is minus 2 into minus 2 is will becomes plus 4. So this will becomes plus 1. So like that we have to take the squares of this all the values and write in the second column here x square values. Then after we have to take minus x, which is the second term of the given polynomial, and minus x, here the plus x it is minus 3 is there, minus x will becomes plus 3, and x is minus 2, then minus x is plus 2, x is negative minus 1, so minus of minus 1 that will be plus 1. So now 0 it is same will come, and we have to change these three numbers signs. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 will come, and the last term it is minus 6. Write it as it is everywhere, minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6. So middle of these 3 rows, second row, third row, and fourth row, just we need to add these three numbers. 9 plus 3 minus 6 will get 6, like that. 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 6 is 0. So adding these 3 numbers, you will get these values, 5 values. So after getting the 5 values, so we had to write that all the order pairs so formed minus 3 comma 6, the first one, okay, and the second one it is minus 2 comma 0, and third one is minus 1 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 6, 1 comma minus 6, and next 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma 0. So we have to write this all the values. Now it's very important you people to remember when we are preparing the table to draw the graph for that one. Here, look here. So once you consider the values of y, so where we are getting the zeros, here the y equal zeros are there in this both the cases. For what values of x, these are zeros here. When x equal minus 2 and plus 3, just focus on this both the numbers very carefully. When x equal to minus 2 only, the value of y is 0, and x equal to 3 also the value of y is 0. So these two numbers will be the zeros of the quadratic polynomial only will come. We can consider through them in the graph. Okay, now what I'm doing, plotting the order pairs in the coordinate plane and joining them, we will get a graph of y equal to x square minus x minus 6. And from the graph, we observe that the graph it is intersecting the x-axis at the 2 points a minus 2 comma 0 and the b 3 comma 0. So now look here. So we have to plot this all these order pairs in the graph sheet. So here this is there. This is uh, first one it is minus 3 comma 6, and second point it is minus 2 comma 0, and third one it is minus 2 comma 4, fourth one it is 0 comma minus 6, fifth one 1 comma 6, and next point it is 3 comma 0, like that. So we had to mark these all the points and smoothly with free hand just join them, draw a curve and check where it is intersecting the x-axis. I think here on the x-axis minus 2 3 the graph it is intersecting. The coordinates of point a are minus 2 comma 0 and the coordinates of b are 3 comma 0. So we write their coordinates here. So the graph it is intersecting x-axis at the points minus 2 comma 0 and b 3 comma 0. So now just you need to focus on their x coordinates minus 2 and plus 3. So their x coordinates are minus 2 and plus 3. Therefore these x coordinates will give the zeros of the given polynomial. So minus 2 and 3 are the zeros of x square minus x minus 6 will come. So that zeros are nothing but only the x coordinates of points of intersection of the graph with the x-axis. You need to remember. So now look here. So like that we need to draw the graphs of the quadratic functions, and when you are drawing the quadratic polynomials, it will arises 3 different cases. The 3 different cases will depends upon only the value of b square minus 4ac. In case of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the graph will intersect the x-axis in the 2 points. In case of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the graph will not intersect like this. It will come at anywhere, but it will not intersect the x-axis. Suppose if the b square minus 4ac equals 0, then in that case the graph will touches x-axis at anywhere like this. In U shape it will come like this. Why it is looks in U shape means the quotient of x square it is a positive number. Now, so I have written here b square minus 4ac equals 0, then the graph touches the x-axis at 1 point. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points. So we faced this type of graph example. This is a x square minus x minus 6. This graph it is in this type only. It is intersecting x-axis in the 2 points. In case of b square minus 4ac it is less than 0, then the graph do not intersect x-axis. In this case you need to write the quadratic polynomial do not exist any real zeros. Okay, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it, and for new notifications, and you can get more videos from this one. Thank you very much.